Good afternoon, YouTube. It is Sunday, July 4th. Happy 4th of July to everybody. Also, too, I've gotten some new subscribers in the past week, and welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you continue to watch and enjoy what you see. Anyway, yesterday I was able to get down here and get the trike painted, and this is one of the pieces for the trike. I thought I'd bring it out into the sun and let everybody see the color. It's really a nice color. I like the paint. It's easy to work with, but you have to let it sit for 5 days before you can polish any nibs out. And as you paint, you will always have nibs, regardless of how clean the area is or whatever. So now I have to let this stuff sit here for 5 days, but we'll get to it. But anyway, it's just a little quick video. I just want to show everyone the color. I really like the color. I just don't like the paint. So, but anyway, hope everyone's having a great 4th of July. I've got some more projects coming up this week, some with tractors, some without tractors. Time permitting, I'll try and get that stand built for the grill so that can be refurbished. And I've got the new media and stuff in for my sandblast cabinet, so hopefully we can get that grill sandblasted and start working on it. So anyway, just happy 4th of July to everybody. Thank you for the new subscribers and the people who continue to watch. Without you, this channel wouldn't exist. So thanks again, and have a great 4th of July from Old Red Tractors.